The most important maintenance on any camper is to check your seals. You should check your seals every 90 days. That's every 3 months. You should check the roof seals and check the side seals. The sides, you can use a regular clear outdoor silicone on the sides. On the roof, depending on what type of roof that you have, but with most TPOs and rubber roofs, you use a lap sealant. That's a lap sealant. You check right here around the vents, the skylights, and you see this sealant? The sealant right here, around all the vent caps, and you use a lap sealant. Fits in a regular caulking gun, and you just overlap it, and it self-levels. Self-leveling sealant. So you should check it every 3 months, every 90 days. Most important maintenance on your camper. This is Rex and Sons RVs reminding you, check your roof seals. Enjoy life's journey.